Hello everyone, welcome to the classes of calculus. In this video, we will be talking about a problem on bijectivity of a function, and we have to find the inverse of this function also. By the end of this lecture, I think you will have a much clearer understanding of how you can apply the procedure to solve the other problems also. Here in this problem, we are given a function which is defined by fx equal to x minus 2 by x minus 3. We have to prove that it is a bijective function, and we have to also find the inverse of this function. In order to prove the bijectivity of this function, we have to show that this function is an 1-1 function, and also it is an onto function. That is, the function is injective as well as surjective. So to show that this function is an injective function, we have to take elements x and y which belongs to real number, except the number 3, which is the condition given here. So for injectivity, we have f of x is equal to f of y. So we have x minus 2 divided by x minus 3 is equal to y minus 2 by y minus 3, which implies that xy minus 3x minus 2y plus 6 equals to, again, xy minus 3y minus 2x plus 6 . Now xy cancels out, 6 and 6 also cancel out, and we have minus x equal to minus y. Therefore, x equal to y. So this function is an 1-1 or injective function. Now let us check the surjectivity of this function. For this, let y be an arbitrary element in codomain B. So we have fx is equal to y. Now we have fx is x minus 2 by x minus 3 equal to y. Which implies that xy minus 3y equal to x minus 2. From here, we will get xy minus x equal to 3y minus 2, which implies that x into y minus 1 equal to 3y minus 2. Therefore, x equal to 3y minus 2 divided by y minus 1. This is a real number for all y. So students, you have seen that we have the function is also an surjective function, or you can call it a onto function. We have to further show that the condition given in the problem is also fulfilled. We have 3y minus 2 divided by y minus 1 cannot be equal to 3. To prove this, let's assume 3y minus 2 by y minus 1 equal to 3. So you have 3y minus 2 equal to 3y minus 3. That is minus 2 equal to minus 3, which cannot be possible. So this condition which is given here in this question is also fulfilled. And so you can call this function a surjective function because the elements of the codomain has its own p images in domain. Now you have to find the inverse of the function. You see here, since it is a bijective function, it is also invertible. You have to know the term invertible. Sometimes in questions, the word invertible also can be asked. So if it is invertible, you can find the inverse of the function. So to find the inverse of this function, you have to write like this. Or you can write f inverse x minus 2 divided by f inverse x minus 3 equal to x. Or you can write this expression like x minus 2 by x minus 3 equal to f inverse x. So the inverse of the function is f inverse x equal to x minus 2 by x minus 3. So students, you have seen that the function is a surjective function and also it is an injective function. So it is a bijective function. Since it is a bijective, so it is invertible also. And then you can find the inverse of this function. And in this way, the inverse of this function can be found. So students, I hope it is clearer now. But remember, learning maths takes time and practice. Thank you for watching.